Welcome to Storytime with Mrs. Dodd and
Captain Dodd.
Today we are going to read for you the book called Shifty, McGifty and Slippery Sam, The Missing Masterpiece
By Tracey Corderoy and Stephen Lenton.
When you were a baby and still in your pram, there lived two daft robbers called Shifty and Sam. They tried to be sneaky, but never quite could. So now they are bakers who try to be good. They once baked in Paris. So, ooh la la, smart, with cafes and cheese shop and fine works of art. And here is where we are baking. Look, Sam, Shifty cried. It's Galerie Bonbon. Quick, let's go inside. Then Sam saw a poster. He read it. Oh my, there's a fox who steals paintings called Cunningham Sly.
Come on, Shifty nodded. We've no time to worry. We can't hang about, Sam. We really must hurry. The art exhibition will start in an hour. We've still got to bake a huge gingerbread tower. Oh yes, Sam remembered. The mayor's coming too. You're right. Let's get baking. We've so much to do.
The way to the kitchen was through a big hall where beautiful paintings adorned every wall. Psst! See those red curtains? Sam pointed a paw. They're hiding a masterpiece. Shifty, I'm sure. But Shifty was heading back out to the van because they'd forgotten their best copper pan.
Sam soon found the kitchen where, to his surprise, he stumbled upon a smart fox with bright eyes. Au revoir, called the fox, heading through the back door. But Sam had the feeling he'd seen him before. Do I know you? Asked Sam, but the fox shook his head. Monsieur, I'm afraid you're mistaken, he said. You see, I'm an artist and paint all day long, which means that I really rarely go out, so you're wrong. The fox tapped his painting, all carefully wrapped. Is that yours? Wow, I've met a real artist, Sam clapped. Sam raced to tell Shifty, now back in the hall, but stopped right in front of the masterpiece wall. The curtains were open, the wall was quite bare. I peeped, Shifty gulped, but the painting's not there. Remember that poster of Cunningham Sly, that sneaky fox robber, Sam said with a cry. I saw him just now with a parcel, I'm sure. I think he was sneaking it out of the door. He must have just stolen the painting. Oh no! Don't worry, we'll catch him, cried Shifty. Let's go!
Outside in the city, they drove like the wind. That cunning old fox won't escape us, Sam grinned. Beep, beep, Shifty tooted, and Sam gripped his seat as buns, tarts, and croissants bounced off down the street. Then, close to the river, Sam let out a shout. That's him! That's the fox that I saw sneaking out! They raced to the water, but only to spy a getaway dinghy belonging to Sly. The thief hopped on board with the painting held tight and called to the boys with a smirk of delight. I am Cunningham Sly. You would never catch me, for I am as cunning can be. The fox sped away. He's escaping, Sam cried. He hasn't won yet, Shifty quickly replied. He flicked up a switch on the dashboard and...
Boom! Their van was a speedboat, and off they went. Zoom! The chase was back on, but the robber was fast. We're catching him now, Shifty shouted at last. He revved up the engine, then with a huge crash, a wave hit Sly's dinghy, and suddenly...
Splash! Oh, help! I can't swim, called the fox with a shout. Sam tossed him a live buoy to help fish him out. They rescued the painting as Sly coughed and spluttered. You've ruined my best robbing waistcoat, he muttered.
At Galerie Bonbon they opened the door and marched the wet robber across the clean floor. Some policemen were waiting to take Sly away. They thanked Sam and Shifty for saving the day. Then Sam held the masterpiece out. "Here you go." He tore off the wrapping, but then cried, "Oh no!" The painting was splattered in greenish-grey grime and bits from the river and watery slime.
"But boys," the mayor chuckled, his cheeks rosy red, "the painting Sly stole is a fake one," he said. "We thought he would strike, so we swooped them around. And here is the real masterpiece, safe and sound." "But you caught the thief, so well done," cried the mayor. "Bravo!" cheered the crowd, with their hats in the air. At 8, it was time for the party to start, so Shifty and Sam brought in their work of art. "Oh, boys," beamed the mayor, and he patted his tummy. "That gingerbread tower looks so ooh-la-la yummy."
Next day, Paris buzzed with the talk of a team who captured sly robbers and baked like a dream. Sam opened the paper. "Look, Shifty," he cried. "Now that's a real masterpiece," Shifty replied.